Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We are continuing our series of pattern therapy and today we will be learning pattern number 7. Subscribe for regular art tutorials. For this pattern I don't want or I don't need the smaller squares, so I am not dividing it after 4 dots as I used to do in my previous videos. We are just drawing a straight and simple box all around, just so that we know how far we have to keep drawing our pattern or what are the edges or limitations of our pattern. So just a simple box, depending upon how big or pattern do you want to make or how much area do you want to cover. Just draw a simple box. Next is to choose a point in the center and draw lines all around it. So I'm drawing lines and ending them with a filled bold circle. They are all random, definitely not planned, in different directions and in different sizes. You can see the length of each line varies. So choose a point. This point can be anywhere, even at the edges, corners, or anywhere you want. I have just chosen it somewhere approximately in the center. You can choose it wherever you want. So here all our lines are complete. Now we'll start drawing curves between two of them. You can notice that I am not lifting my pen. It's just one continuous stroke. And wherever one of the line finishes, you will stop drawing the curve at that point. So here you can see the smaller edge has finished, so I cannot draw it further. From now, this whole section becomes 1. So now the size of curve will increase and this whole segment works as one segment, and we will keep drawing our curve inside this. We'll repeat this step until again one of our line is, which one is shorter, gets finished. As you can see, the right one here has already completed. The left line was still left. We'll repeat this step all around. From here, this whole segment works as one. So you will draw the curve from the center till one of the line is finished or completed, and then use another line wherever you can find, and then that works as the new segment for you. As you can see, all the lines here were diminished, so this whole big segment works as one now. And you will repeat this step all around.